When we thought about how we could use the cameras, we started to think more about how we could use it to enhance teaching and learning. We're thinking about using it for showing good practice of a teacher in the classroom, showing what good questioning and formative assessment tools look like in the classroom, good techniques and methods of a teacher actually demonstrating it. And if I'm a trainee teacher, watching that from the perspective of a great teacher, that's quite useful.
I can't see why it couldn't be used really successfully in giving some students some feedback, giving them some praise on something that went really well, because it can be captured, frozen and then uploaded very easily.
We've seen the colour cams improve teaching and learning by employing them as a tool to capture demonstrations in particular. So in terms of evidence capturing machines, I think that's how we're starting to see them be used.
It's a very easy piece of technology to use. When our digital leader talked me through it, it was literally on, off, record, start, stop. It was very easy to use.
I think other educators should consider it as a way to capture evidence, because it's the size of it in particular and the durability of it and the malleability of the tool and what it can be used for is exciting.